Hey y'all, it's Quayla. We've all heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but let's not forget about lunch. I want to share with you some of the things I do to up my lunch game. First, salads, super easy, right? Leafy greens, lots of vegetables. What I love to do is add some canned meat like canned chicken, tuna, or fish to my lunch because that's going to increase the protein and make sure I have that feeling of fullness. It's all about being satisfied. Second, pasta. Love pasta for lunch. It's like a blank canvas. You can throw in and mix and match vegetables, fruit, and protein. It's a great option to help you feel full. You can also make a quick vinaigrette to give it more flavor. Third, there's a new buzzword called bowls. You got grain bowls, protein bowls, rice bowls, bowls. My family and I really love the option of these bowls, throwing everything in there, layering those flavors, and having a yummy bowl for lunch. One of my tips is to try a creamy topping. I like to take some Greek yogurt, a little squeeze of lemon juice, some black pepper or your favorite seasonings, mix it all together. Voila, you have a great creamy topping to add to your bowl. Bottom line, upgrade your lunch with balance so you can feel full and satisfied. For more helpful tips like these and easy and nutritious recipes, visit extension.msstate.edu and join our MSU Nutrition and Wellness Facebook group. Thanks for watching.